Now, Judy Austine is going to pay me Yul Edochie. She's going to pay her 100 million naira. 100 million naira. What? Yul Edochie did not divorce me, right? He didn't divorce me, Edochie. They were still legally married. Now, what is going on is that the courts, this matter now has got into the courts. You know how our country is. So now the case is in the court. But guess what? This is what is happening now. Now the court has told Yul Edochie to pay me, to give me all the properties that he and me have been buying together, building together, to give her all those properties. Now guess what? Judy Austine has been asked to pay 100 million naira to me, Yul Edochie, for adultery. Yul Edochie's offense is that he has committed bigamy, which is very offensive in the court of law. Why am I saying this? It is what is happening now, because if you have noticed, you will notice that Judy Austine have not been coming out more often to talk. They've been quite low-key because the matter has been in case. But now, we are now hearing some hearsay saying that, okay, the court case that's going on now is that Yul is going to give me Edochie all the properties that both of them worked for, and Judy Austine is going to pay me Edochie 100 million naira for committing adultery and taking her husband. This one sweets me one kind of. If you are dating a married man, please confirm before you put your head, because if you can't marry a man that has not officially divorced, my dear, if the woman takes you to court, you will pay 100 million naira. Yes, you would pay 100 million naira. No caps. This is just making me to laugh, because the way they've been low-key since, I've not been seeing news about Yul Edochie, Judy Austine. She made it. I've not been hearing it since. Wow. So this is what is going on. 100 million naira. Ha. That's huge, but maybe Yul Edochie can afford it. But with the way I'm hearing that he has to give me Edochie most of the properties they've made together, like, I don't know where that man is going to see that 100 million from. Way. But he has the money, so he'll pay. He'll pay for his lovely wife, Judy Austine, of course. Like this, all young ladies, please, let's be careful. If you know you are a single lady, don't trick your head in a marriage that maybe someone is married and the person is telling you he hasn't divorced his wife. Don't be heading towards marrying that person. Be so sure that the person has dissolved that marriage, because like this, if that legally married wife takes you to court, she's winning and you are going to pay her 100 million naira. So side chicks, are you hearing? Single ladies, are you hearing? Before you marry someone that is telling you he's married, that he was married before, make sure you ask if he has divorced the wife or if the marriage was illegal. Yes. So like this, this is a serious saga. 100 million naira. This news reached to make person go quiet now, because since I've been trying to look at their socials, because I used to follow up their gist, but since they've been so low-key, so quiet, especially Judy Austine, she has been so quiet. That is what is on ground now. I don't know whether it is rumor, hearsay, but that is what is on ground now, that she's going to pay me 100 million naira. While Yul Edochie is going to share most of the properties that Mel and him built from scratch. He's going to give it to her. And Yul Edochie has been found guilty of bigamy, which is getting married to another wife while he hasn't dissolved the marriage that he's in. So yeah, you see, it may take long, but definitely she's winning. May is winning. That man tried. May Edochie tried. She endured. Not all women will endure like that. She endured. She persevered. She took the shame that your husband just woke up one morning and decided to get another lady pregnant, someone that he used to act movies with. Get her pregnant. Family members, they didn't sort this issue. They didn't talk. Nobody, they didn't resolve this matter well. She really tried. That lady tried. May tried, and I'm giving it to her. She really tried. And if this news is real, like if this news is original, then I'm happy. If this news, this 100 million naira saga, and this whole bigamy accusation, and this whole sharing the property, giving the properties to her, if it's real, then she's winning, and I love it for her. Please be careful out there. Men, be careful. Be careful. If you know you want to divorce your wife, you want to dissolve a marriage, make sure you dissolve it very well before getting into another marriage. Now, see problem. Judy now will be paying me 100 million naira. May God help them bring that money. May God help them make that money. Do well to click on the like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.